Welcome to this guided meditation. Begin by sitting in a comfortable position or lying down. And connect to yourself, connect to your body, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your chest, relaxing your knees, and relaxing your feet. Placing one hand on your belly, taking a deep breath in, filling up your belly, holding at the top, and exhaling, letting go of anything not serving you. Breathing in, filling up your belly, holding at the top, and exhaling, letting go of any stress, of any worries, of any to-do lists. Breathing in, fully taking an even deeper breath in. Holding and exhaling, allowing your body to further relax and to further let go. Taking the deepest breath you've taken all day. Holding at the top, and exhaling, allowing your shoulders to move away from your ears, and welcoming in a sense of receptivity, softening, being right here, right now. Allowing your breath to flow in the rhythm it wants to, without needing to control it or manipulate it in any way. Observing without any judgment. Knowing that just the way you are right now is perfect. And in any way that you're doing this meditation, it is perfect. And now, connecting to your 5 senses, beginning with your sense of smell, noticing what smells there are in the air, and really tuning into this sense. Tuning into the sense of sight. Even though your eyes are closed, notice what you see. It might be certain shapes or complete darkness. Tuning into the sense of hearing, noticing what subtle or pervasive sounds there are. Tuning in to the sense of taste, noticing what tastes there are in your mouth. And now tuning into the sense of touch, noticing what textures there are beneath your fingers, beneath your feet. Really tuning into the sense. And now connecting to all 5 senses all at once to the best degree that you can. Being right here, right now, fully present in your body. And now connecting to your feet, relaxing your feet, and connecting to the soles of your feet. Imagining roots growing from the bottom of your feet down into the ground like the roots of a tree, allowing them to go down into the many layers of rock, clay, soil, all the way down until they reach the core of Mother Earth, core of Mother Gaia. Wrapping your roots around her core, connecting to her nourishing, loving energy. And allowing this energy to move up your roots, all the way up, all the way up until they reach your feet and spread throughout your body, through your spine, and all the way up to the top of your head. Feeling rejuvenated, relaxed, and present here. And welcoming anything that may come up without any judgment. And now, relaxing your body further, allowing your fingers to relax, allowing your toes to relax, relaxing your forehead, the muscles between your eyebrows, relaxing your facial muscles, and welcoming a smile on your face. And now, gently, at your own time, fully becoming aware of your body in the space that you're in, you can gently open your eyes. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today.